Hello, in this video I'm going to make a beautiful ribbon bow like this. I'm using a bow dabra, which is a bow maker, to make my bow. I'm also using 3 types of ribbons. And you need a tie. You are tie into 2, insert at the center and tuck it below your bow dabra. You can use even a thin ribbon as a tie. Now this is my tail. I'm using 2 color ribbons as my tail, and the length of the tail is up to you. And if you don't want a tail, you can skip this. Now let's start making the loops. Pinch at the center and turn the ribbon so that the shiny front portion is always on top. If both the sides of the ribbon are the same, then you don't have to do that. Pinch, then turn. You can make as many loops as you want, but see that all the loops are the same length. The loop should be of the same length and the shiny front portion is always on top. I'm going to use my second ribbon. This is smaller in width than the first one. I'm repeating the same process, but this time I'm making smaller loops. You can make 4 to 6 loops. The number of loops is up to you. I'm using my third ribbon now. This is really small, only half an inch in width, and repeating the same process and make the loops. Once you finish making the loops, carefully press it from the top with the stick which comes with the bow maker. And take out your loops carefully along with the tie from the bow maker. Bring the tie which is at the bottom to the front, and there will be a loop, and insert in that loop, pull and then take out. Now tie the loops tightly. Now start fluffing the loops. Pull one loop to the front and one loop to the back and fluff it nicely. Take out the loops one by one and fluff nicely. Once you fluff all your loops nicely, you will get a beautiful ribbon bow. I am giving some nice curls to my tail. If you don't want, you can skip this. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching.